Okay guys, so I started out with a black face paint. This is a MAC Chroma Cake, whatever black face paint you have. I just did this really quick. I was not planning to do another glow in the dark skull, but my daughter seen my last one that I did and she wanted to be one too. So I just did a really quick black, just regular skull. I just used the black face paint, black eyeshadow, and some of the glow in the dark paint that I showed in my last video. So after I did the eyes, I kind of set it with, and it also makes it darker with black eyeshadow. And then I just started doing my forehead. I basically do it the same way all the time. I'm telling you, I really did this really fast. And I did my daughter's like in 10 minutes, I think. So yeah, I just did it with the face paint, and I go in a little bit after with a little bit of eyeshadow just to darken it up and to blend it out just a little bit. So everything for this look was really simple, including the nose. I didn't even do anything. I just kind of painted it all black. I wasn't really focusing on or concerned on how it was going to look in the light, or if it was all completely blended. I was just mainly trying to make it look decent, glowing in the dark. So I really didn't do much of anything. I don't know. Everything was just super simple. And by the time I got to the teeth, I wanted to try to do the teeth a little bit different from how I normally do them. And I was looking at this picture of a skull. It was like a green and black, like real skull. It was like a drawn picture on the internet. So I was kind of going off of like those teeth I was trying to do. And they kind of had like this black shadow on top, like above my lip. And I did it the way the picture looked, but then after I ended up switching it up, it just looked like when it was glowing in the dark, it looked like I kind of had a mustache or something. It looked really weird. I just wasn't feeling the teeth. So I ended up, for the top, like my upper lip, I usually just draw the teeth upward, like a bunch of lines upward. So I just ended up switching it up after. I don't even think I showed me doing it. I think I just did it really fast after I seen how it was glowing in the dark, and I didn't really like it, so I kind of just switched that up really fast. But yeah, and you can't, the glow in the dark face paint that I'm using now, it's super affordable. I think you get like 6 or 8 colors, and they're only like $12 or $14, something like that. But they blend out really nice. They don't cake up, they don't crack, they stay on for a really long time, and they are really easy to come off, and they don't stain your face. So I'm really happy with the glow in the dark. But you do need a black light. They don't just like turn off the light and glow. But I just put the green color all over. I will link them in the description box if you want to check them out, because they're for the face and body. You can do a lot of stuff with them. I will link them in the description box. Whoa, I don't know what's happening here. It's the green screen that's kind of messing up my face. But I just basically put the green all over where my skin was and on the teeth. And then I kind of shadowed it in with a little bit of black eyeshadow. And that was it. Then I started doing my daughter's. And like I said, I just did it really fast on my daughter too, because she wasn't going to have patience if I really focused on details. So I literally did hers like in under 15 minutes. I did it super fast. So this was just a fun little thing we did together, and I thought I would upload it and show you guys because she likes filming videos. So this made her feel like she was filming a video. And it's just an easy skull. So, oh my god, I don't know. I'm using a green screen, so it's kind of messing up every now and then.
Look at me, guys.